What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. Got another video for you today. This is kind of unique. I found this guy at Walmart, but before we get into that, did you guys know they made tiny brush hogs? Look at this. They're so small. What would you even use this for? I don't know, but I bought some. But most importantly, let's talk about this that I found at Walmart. Panfish and trout fly fishing, or sorry, fishing kit. Around a $25 value. I think it was $17 almost, or something like that, at Walmart. This is the first time I've ever seen googan, mystery tackle box, stuff like that at Walmart. It says 5 to 6 baits inside. Tips, tricks, and instructions to help you catch more. Limited edition fishing decal. That's cool. And a great reason to do the hashtag happy dance. Well, I don't think I'm going to be dancing, but let's get into this. A buffet of baits every month. Okay. Alright, here we go. Regular. Looks like normal. Okay, what do we got? We got your ruler thing up here. Oh, that is a pretty cool sticker. I like it. Muscly fish. Little catch code tattoo. I don't want to ruin the surprise there. We'll throw that to the left. This is the tricks. I'll read that later. Oh, and we got another sticker. A little mystery tackle box sticker. Ooh, what do we got? Ooh, some jig heads. Yeah, these are definitely for panfish. Those look nice though. It's just nice. Ooh, and then some, you know, some little swim tail grubs to go with them. Matches the color nicely. Oh, spoon. This is a unique looking spoon. It has a removal tool with it too. Oh, it has like a glow thing in it. That's cool. You put the glow thing in it. Oh, alright. Let's see. Installation. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. That's unique. What do we got here? Some more swim-tail grubs, looks like. No, these look... Gosh, what is this? I don't know. It's funny. It's got a swim-tail on it. Yeah. Huh. That's pretty unique. I have to look at those horned. Oh, couldn't go wrong without a jerkbait. Lake Lurkers jerkbait. Minnow pattern. That looks really good. That's pretty solid. So, jerkbait. Odd little swim-tail grubs. I'll figure those out. This crazy spoon. This is so cool. I have to figure that out. And then this just looks like money right here. Right here. This is so awesome looking. And then stickers, of course, because stickers are always cool. And that is, you know, that's a almost $20 box. Yeah, it's like, I think it was like 17 something. I just thought it was unique because I've never seen Walmart with any, like I said, mystery tackle box stuff. So it was pretty cool to see that, and you know, might start going to Walmart more to see if I can find some more of these. Trout that much. Well, I do trout, obviously, but more fly fishing trout. But you know, this is just cool. This right here, this jerkbait, that anything will hit that. A bass will hit that. So you know, it's multi-species stuff too. But yeah, just a quick little video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on that alert bell. We got a bunch of new stuff coming up. But get out there and catch some fish, guys.